Okay, guys, so look, I just want to break down one of the credit builder loans and I just want to go over the features and the characteristics of it so you understand what has been updated and what I mean by paid in full after one payment. Okay, so we're going to go over loan 7. This is my highest limit. Well, one of my highest limit ones. It's a $20,000 credit builder loan. Okay, so when you get this credit builder loan, you sign up for the program, right? Whether it's on your social or your CPM profile, right? And it's going to report a $20,000 credit limit to your social or your CPM. Okay. The reason why you want stuff like this reporting is if you're building your credit so you can get high limit credit cards, or if you have new credit, or if you have a CPN, right? Lenders nowadays is so tight when it comes to CPNs and when it comes to new credit in general that when it comes to credit cards, it is good for them to see some type of paid off, high limit credit builder account, whether it's installment or a revolving account. Okay. That is yours. Like, it's not AUs is not enough anymore. Okay. They want to see that you got, a primary account that's going to report a high limit. And if you have one that's paid off that had a high limit, even the better. You're going to get higher limit approvals on installment and revolving lines of credit. Okay. So, boom, right? This is a $20,000 credit limit that will report. Okay. It takes about 3 to 4 weeks to go ahead and report. So please give it that time to report. Okay. This limit right here will report 20,000 to your social or CPN, right? There is a $250 down payment, right? This down payment will be made to us, so you can go ahead and get the private link to go ahead and sign up for the credit builder account. Okay. It is a private link that we get from our finance company that allows us to go ahead and publish these files to them so they can go ahead and upload it. Okay. It's a very well-known, not a well-known finance company, but it is a finance company that, is known enough to go ahead and publish these files with no issues. Okay. All right. So then boom, we got that. And then from there, there's a $30 activation fee. We are not charging you this personally, but the finance company does. We cannot remove this fee. Okay. So for this loan, it's a $20,000 credit builder loan, right? So it's a big loan. So the monthly payments will be a little bit more because, it's an actual loan. Okay. So for this one, it is $204.08 per month for 98 months until you decide to close it. Okay. And we're going to get into that. Okay. So this loan, you can actually close early after just one payment. Okay. So we have that relationship now where after just one payment, you can go ahead and close this credit builder loan. Okay. So you don't need to pay $204.08 per month for 98 months. All right, guys. You can just pay it for 1 month. And then you can just decide to close it by paying the paid in full early fee. That's it. That's the easiest way that you're going to be able to build credit fast these days because you're going to have high limit paid off loans on your credit report. Okay, guys. And this is one of the largest credit builders that we offer. So you don't need, if you know you can't afford to pay this for 1 month, then and pay the early fee. So 204.08, right? Let's say you pay it for 1 month, right? Then you pay your paid in early fee, which is 300. In total, that would be $504.08. Okay. So, right, $504.08. All right. That will be 1 month of paying this and then paying your paid and early fee. Okay. So if you know that this is going to be too much to pay, it's okay. We have credit builders that report lower limits, but they cost less for you to have it reported. Okay. As a paid in full after 1 month. All right. So we're just trying to give you guys options. I want everybody to have options to build their credit, and not have it be something tied where you feel like you got to spend thousands of dollars to go ahead and do this because it shouldn't cost that much in order to build a great credit profile. So this fee, this paid an early fee, right? That's $300. This is a fee that we are actually going to pay to the finance company so they can be satisfied, okay? Because they're allowing us to have you to publish you guys files, right? To give you guys the opportunity to have these files published as paid in full way earlier than what it's supposed to be, okay? So they're going to charge us a fee for that, okay? And that fee is $300. That's why we charge you $300, right? So we do not profit from this, and just thank you for your understanding. Okay. So I just want to break down a few more highlights once again, right? There are 7 loan types that I have. If you need to do anything over $20,000 reporting to your credit, you can only do one loan at a time. All right. One file at a time. Okay. So if you have your social and then you have a CP, that's fine. One goes on your social, one goes on your CP. But you can't do 2 of these on the same file. Okay. One at a time. Once you close it, you can open another. Okay. So I have 7 loan types. This is one of my highest limits. If you need anything over 20,000, message my assistant. She will go ahead and get you situated. Okay. All right. And then this is going to report a $20,000 credit limit to your credit profile. Okay. Whether it's social or CPM. Right. There's a $250 down payment. They will give you the private link to go ahead and sign up because there's a private link that's made based off of your credit profile characteristics. All right. That we have to generate. There's a $30 activation fee. We don't charge you this. Finance company does, right? We cannot remove this fee, right? And then there are going to be different payment terms, but for this $20,000 credit limit one, there's $204.08 for 98 months until you decide to close it, all right? Obviously, you can just pay it for 1 month and then pay your paid in early fee, and then that will be a closed off $20,000 loan on your profile. And obviously, I'm going to have a proof of posting in this video, so it will actually be right here, and you will see proof that this thing actually posts, all right? And proof that it actually closed, okay? That's more important, all right? That the thing actually closed, okay, guys? So with that being said, I just want to make this quick video to explain the update in the credit builder loan, all right? If you guys want to know, how to, source finance companies to go ahead and do this for you, you can simply just tap into my university. That will only be available in my one-on-one mentorship option for $9.97. I will give you direct access to the vendor I use to give me this connection in order to publish this, if you want to be able to do this for your own clientele. All right. Outside of that, another video. Peace out.